लीक चैट पर अर्नब गोस्वामी का स्टेटमेंट आ गया है। क्या है पूरा स्टेटमेंट, मैं आप लोगों को पढ़ के सुना दूं, इसे ध्यान से सुनिए। गया पूरा स्टेटमेंट है अर्नब गोस्वामी द्वारा। ये स्टेटमेंट लीक chat पर it is beyond absurd to suggest that expecting India to strike back in Pakistan after the Pulwama attack was a crime. It was publicly available information and thousands of journalists reported, wrote, broadcast and analyzed in the same direction after Pulwama. There are thousands of articles from that time suggesting a hard and tough response from the Indian forces. The government stated the same in interviews to our network and elsewhere, which were broadcast across the world. Two things were made public at the time officially: that there will be an extremely tough military retaliation by India. Two, that the time and place of retaliation will be chosen by India. I'm horrified that the Congress party actually thinks that any journalist in India expressing the views publicly stated by the government is committing a crime. In the last 10 months, for an attempted acid attack on me, to framing of fake and false cases, to arresting me illegally, to assaulting me, my wife, and my son, slapping cases against them, to filing an omnibus case against my entire newsroom and all my editors, to putting me in jail on the trumped up charges, to assaulting me in custody, to interrogating my colleagues for 500 hours, to whiplashing my colleague Ghanshyam with a chakki belt in custody, and now joining hands with Pakistan to questioning my love and commitment to this great nation. I have been through it all. Millions of Indians have joined hands with me today. I have the support of every nationalist Indian, and I don't need a certificate from anyone else. To the media in India, I request a moment of introspection. You may not agree with my views, you may not agree with my ideology, you may not agree with my network, but if you are quiet today when a journalist is targeted for a WhatsApp chat on a publicly available information, then think about the president being said, I have faced enough incarceration, I am ready for सम मोर। सो ये एक स्टेटमेंट जारी किया गया है अर्नब गोस्वामी द्वारा ऑन व्हाट्सअप लीक चैट पर। फिलहाल इतना ही, कुछ और खबरों के साथ कुछ देर में फिर से जुड़ूंगा, लेकिन ये एक ज़रूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन थी, एक स्टेटमेंट थी जो कि आई थी अर्नब गोस्वामी की, वो मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर कर रहा हूँ। फिलहाल इतना ही, कुछ और खबरों के साथ कुछ देर में फिर से। धन्यवाद।